How to transfer money from Trust Wallet to bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video presentation, I'll be showing you on how to cash out crypto from Trust Wallet to your bank account. It's easy, so let's dive in. First of all, you need to have an account with crypto exchange. If you don't have one, pause and set it up. You can also use the Coinbase. First of all, send your coins to your exchange address and sell your crypto. Then withdraw the cash to your bank account. For example, I have 18 USDC to cash out. In Coinbase, click on Receive and select USDC and then copy the address and return to the Trust Wallet application. Now you have to select your crypto. Simply paste the address, enter the amount. You have to review the details and then click on Confirm. And you can check the status on the blockchain as well. And after the transaction is completed, you can open your Coinbase, check the transactions icon and see when it's available. Once it's completed, click on Buy or Sell and choose Sell and select USDC and hit Sell to convert it to the cash. Now go to My Assets, select Cash, click on Withdraw, choose the amount, verify your bank account and then click on Preview. Then click on Withdraw Cash and you have successfully cashed out and Coinbase will email you a confirmation. So that's all for this video. This is exactly how you can withdraw cash from Trust Wallet to your bank account. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.